you are losing in your business, you want to get success, then accept some rules of Krishna. Apply these rules and success will be sure. Change the style if you are finding any difficulty in the business, but do not change the work. Krishna's calm mind always wins. In the same manner, our mind should be calm. We should never lose our balance. Be unbiased so that you can see the things as they are. Always plan your play, then trade. Without plan, never trade. Don't be emotional but practical. Do your karma and forget the result. A right karma is always bound to bring fruit. Stick to goals. Believe in your karma. We must put forth our best effort and trust that the universe will take care of the rest. Be prepared to make sacrifices for the greater good. Be clear about your goals and stay focused on them. Don't be attached to the result. Be fearless in the face of obstacles. Surrender to the divine and let go of your ego. Anger is a weakness. Change is inevitable, so do not be afraid. Accept the change. Control your desires. Meditation is the key. Be focused. You come with nothing and will leave with nothing. So there is no reason to be afraid of. You are what you believe in. Always follow honesty, responsibility, non-violence, self-control, compassion, and service. Do not think that once you get your goal, you will start enjoying your life. Doing service is always there in the life. Either you are rich or you are poor. So remember your responsibilities.